name is Shweihninzy, and today I'm going to be doing a look with the Sailor Moon and Colourpop collection. I know this has been blowing up social media. It's been blowing up the Colourpop website. I've never seen, well, I have actually, but in a while I haven't seen a collection sell out like so fast. I was planning to get the entire bundle, but I was only able to get the lip duo and the eyeshadow palette. I gifted another lip duo and the like body glitter to a friend of mine, so she has those things and she's loving it, but I wanted to test out the eyeshadow palette mainly. I wanted the blushes as well, but oh my goodness, those sold out like so fast. We're back with the sparkly lights, which I really like. I did my time in front of my little picture collage, so now we're back in front of the lights. I thought that would be perfect to bring back, you know, Sailor Moon, sparkly, magical moon prism power. And yeah, who watched Sailor Moon as a kid? I did. My mom told me, but part of my memory was lost, so I don't remember that. And so as an adult, I have been wanting to watch Sailor Moon, so maybe I'll watch it. I think it's on Hulu, so I'll definitely have to check it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera. It just lets me play without any pressure, and I'll be right back. So here we are. I did one eye off camera, kind of went with the purple pinky look here. I decided to go in with the P. Louise base. I've done some swatches on this, and I've heard other people talk about how this palette isn't the most pigmented. I mean, it is pigmented, but I wanted to give it its best chance possible, so I'm starting with the P. Louise base as my primer. Taking a piece of tape, I'm going to be putting it on the back of my hand to remove the stickiness, and then I'm going to be placing that starting from my lower lash line to kind of line up and create that sharp edge for the wing that we're going to be creating. Going in with the shade Miracle Romance with the Sigma E45, I'm going to be using this on the outside of my eye to start to create that wing. I'm going to be using the Sigma E35, and this is going to be just my general blending brush. I'm going to keep cleaning it between colors. This is going to be my blending brush while I blend out these colors. Going in with the E45 again, I'm going to be taking the color Love, which is a little bit of a darker pink, and this is going next to Miracle Romance. Going in with the color Tuxedo Rose, that's going to go next to Love. Using a color switch, just cleaning my brush off between applications. Again, blending everything out. Now on the lid, I'm going to be using the color Luna, which is this beautiful purple color. And I'm using the JS11 and my finger to put this on the outer third. Now using my finger, I'm going to be going in with the color Silver Crystal, which is in the top row. And I'm going to use my finger to place this on the inner third of my eye. Pretty simple. Nothing too crazy. And I'm going to remove the tape here. We get that nice sharp edge. I'm going to use this as well to get rid of any glitter. For some reason, this palette has like a lot of extra fallout. Like the shades are just really soft. I don't know if you can tell. Like there's just a lot of fallout. So here's the eyes. What do you think? Debating whether I should go in with eyeliner. I think I will. It'll give me that like cat eye. Oh! As I drop my eyeliner. So I'm going to be going in. I use two eyeliners. I've always done it this way for some reason. Because my eyes water a lot, so I always use a waterproof eyeliner on the outside, and then I use a matte one to kind of make everything matte, because usually the waterproof ones aren't like a matte color. So this is the Milani Stay Matte 17-Hour Wear Liquid Liner. And then I also use this is like just the SEPHORA waterproof eyeliner. So these are the two that I use. And I'm all up in my eyeball area when I'm doing my eyeliner. haven't done winged liner in forever. I like stopped wearing liquid eyeliner. So it looks a little wonky. Also, if you guys don't know, I've been uploading a lot of IGTV videos, and I've been doing like mini tutorials or like hauls or little reviews and things. So some of you guys saw that I did a little haul from Juno & Co, and you wanted me to talk about the Juno & Co Moonshine Miracle Cream. And this stuff is pretty awesome. So I wanted to do like a full in-depth review in this video as well. This stuff is thick. She's thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I didn't get a chance to really test it out, but I haven't noticed it break me out or anything, but like a little bit goes a long way. It smells really good too. This container is like huge. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my foundation on. I'm gonna use my tried and true Glamouflage foundation. I love this stuff, super cheap, long lasting. It's great for us oily boys and girls. Love this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on with my Juno & Co sponge. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer here under my eyes and highlighting the center of my face. I'm going to be setting that with the Hard Candy Translucent Setting Powder. I like this powder, but like it gets everywhere. I'm pretty sure half of it is in my lungs, like no joke. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Maybelline SuperStay powder. This powder is seriously the bomb. Ooh, it's getting warm in here without the air on. My goodness, the sacrifice. This look definitely calls for bottom lashes. So I'm going to be using some bottom lashes. These are by Dolly Wink. These are the bottom lashes here. I got mine from Yes Style, so leave them linked down below. But I mean, this look calls for bottom lashes for sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on and I'll be right back. Like, how fun are these bottom lashes? I feel a little bit of something on my chin. Oh my goodness, they just make the look. I went ahead and did my eyebrows as well off of camera, and I'm gonna go in with some eyelashes for the top of my eyes, obviously. I'm gonna go in with the House of Lashes in Siren. These were my tried and true for so long. Not gonna lie, these are a bit expensive, but they last forever. And I just geared away from this and found other lashes that I like, but this is the eyelash that I wore every single day, and I think this style would go nicely with the look that we have right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. I'm going to go in with the Juno & Co Bombshell Face Palette or Sculpting Palette, and I did a little video with this on my IGTV as well, but this is just so pretty. I mean, the packaging, first of all, is just gorgeous, but like these colors are just so fun, and this is like a really great little face palette. I've been looking for something with like a really nice bronzer, blush, you know, highlight kind of situation, so this definitely fits the book. This palette does have a lot of like fallout, like with like the bronzer. I don't know if you can see just like how much, I don't know. Oh, I got a little bit of blush on that swipe. Ooh. The blush on here is very pigmented as well, like super pigmented. Oh no! Like, I dipped my brush in one time. Oh no, it just like sticks there. Gonna go in with the highlight here. And then this is like a glitter topper, which is so pretty. Gonna go ahead and set my face. Gerard Cosmetics setting spray. Now let's try out this lip duo. I got mine in the color Moonlight. So it's got a blotted lip and a gloss. The lip is in Bunhead. And let's put that gloss on here in the color Sailor Moon. I got lipstick on teeth. So there you have it. There's my little Sailor Moon makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? I kind of was honestly underwhelmed with the colors that were in this collection. I thought there would be, I don't know, some different colors, like maybe a blue or like a red or something. Obviously, you know, the yellow is for her blonde hair, but I thought there'd be like some blues in here. Maybe a green. I don't know if they're going to come out with like other collections for the other sailors, so who knows. But let me know what you guys think if you guys got this palette yourself. I definitely love the packaging. Like, I honestly got it for the packaging and just the hype around it. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I definitely had fun playing around with this, and I feel tatemo kawaii. Oh my gosh, I'm such a weeb. I took Japanese when I was little, and I took it in college, so tatemo kawaii means very cute. So that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and I hope you guys are enjoying the IGTV videos. I'll put an IGTV of this look on there as well, just like a mini one. And yeah, what do you guys think of my horrendous space buns as well? Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have an amazing day.